20 years ago, a few visionaries at the University of Michigan dared to think that they could build an open source LMS to meet the ever-growing needs of faculty who wanted to use the Internet and World Wide Web to provide innovative online instruction and engage student learning. The result was Sakai, a community-driven LMS that went toe-to-toe with commercial enterprise learning management systems then and now. In the past 20 years, while multiple corporate LMS systems have successively built billions of dollars of shareholder value and spent many millions on marketing efforts, Sakai has focused instead on the evolving needs of instructors and students. This emphasis on usability and teaching innovation has made Sakai one of the most capable LMS systems and led LMS experts to consider Sakai best in class. Sakai's innovation also drove the creation of open standards for the easy exchange of software and learning content. Sakai used its market influence to bring the other LMS vendors to the table in the mid-2000s to convene the learning tools interoperability and common cartridge specification development efforts within the OneEdTech community, formerly IMS Global. Our latest new feature is SakaiPlus, which will improve teaching and learning on your campus without requiring you to switch your enterprise LMS. Now, faculty can teach with an LMS that is great for learning, with only the same IT effort and cost as that of a single tool in your current LMS. SakaiPlus uses the latest LTI Advantage standards from OneEdTech to provide a seamless integration between your enterprise LMS and Sakai as an additional LMS. A demonstration of SakaiPlus is pretty simple. Once installed, instructors and students have a link in their enterprise LMS to launch SakaiPlus in a new tab. In that new tab, they simply teach using any and all Sakai features. In the background, SakaiPlus keeps the rosters and gradebooks synchronized. It took 20 years of standards, interoperability innovation, and software development to make it so that we can demonstrate the features of SakaiPlus in 15 seconds. It is that simple. Teachers and students continue to use the Enterprise LMS to see grades, calendar, and due date. This means that essential student records are still stored in the Enterprise LMS as the system of record. Teachers can use as little or as much of SakaiPlus in their teaching as they like. Perhaps they want to use a few of Sakai market-leading tools like lessons, tests and quizzes, or conversations. Or perhaps they're teaching a course where there are enhanced concerns around the control and possession of private student activity data. So they teach the entire course in SakaiPlus on a server owned by the school. Or perhaps a teacher uses Sakai so that they can make suggestions on how to improve it, and then be part of an open source community that will listen to, care about, and implement their suggestions in a future version. The Sakai community welcomes participation from innovative teachers, instructional designers, instructional technologists, and IT staff. This is the SakaiPlus difference. A school can have the best of both worlds, an outsourced enterprise LMS as a basic utility for the teachers who just want to do the minimum, and an innovative, evolving SakaiPlus for the teachers and staff who are trying to give their students a truly inspiring learning experience. Because SakaiPlus is 100% open source, schools interested in experimenting with and adopting SakaiPlus have many hosting options. SakaiPlus is just a feature in every instance of Sakai 23, waiting to be enabled, configured, and used. SakaiPlus is multi-tenant and efficient, so it is possible to provide a free or low-cost cloud service that would allow a school to test SakaiPlus or run a small pilot. You can get a small, single-tenant, vendor-supported cloud instance of SakaiPlus from a Sakai commercial affiliate at about the cost of an LTI tool. Sakai can be self-hosted by a school using an Amazon EC2 instance, an Aurora serverless database, and Amazon's Elastic file system. If a school is a little uncertain about their in-house cloud hosting skills, Sakai commercial affiliates can assist a school in setting up, monitoring, and upgrading their Sakai instance. And over time, they can show your in-house staff how to manage and maintain Sakai servers on AWS. In terms of our current, hoped for, and scheduled rollout of SakaiPlus, as of September 2022, we can support beta tests or pilot experiments. SakaiPlus is in production at the University of Michigan School of Information and is being used in one class. I would love to hear from a few Canvas, Blackboard, and Desire to Learn schools with tech-savvy IT and instructional technology teams to participate in a beta test. We expect that by June 2023, Sakai commercial affiliates will be ready to provide commercial services and support for SakaiPlus for installation and production rollout. If you are interested in participating in a beta or commercial support for SakaiPlus, please contact us at plus@sakailms.org or just reach out to me personally. In closing, I have dedicated over half my professional career to finding ways that we can use the internet and World Wide Web to improve teaching and learning. I look at the features in the current commercial LMS offerings and think, we just can't stop here. It's pretty fair to say that for the past 2 decades, Sakai has led the LMS market forward. Sakai innovates, builds an open source reference implementation, and the commercial vendors adopt the idea and do a great job taking it to scale. By adding SakaiPlus to your existing LMS, you are investing in LMS innovation and marketplace leadership. Let me know if I can help your school find its way to SakaiPlus. Like I felt when we did the first Tools Interoperability demo in 2005 in Sheffield, England. Right now, I am feeling like we are at the very beginning of a dramatic transformation in educational technology. I would love to have you on board with us.